Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see about the drives of our computer. As you can see, there are two drives in my computer. One is drive C and the other is drive D. Drive D is a DVD drive. And drive C is the original drive of my computer. But we are not able to see how much space is empty and how much is filled. We are not able to see this thing in this drive. So for this, I am going to tell you the simplest method which you can follow to solve this problem. And this is not a big problem. After opening this PC in your computer, you will see the page like this. And now you can see clearly that I am not able to see the drives in my computer. And on this page, if you see on the left side top corner, you will see the file written here. So on this file, you have to bring your mouse cursor and click on it. So you will see this kind of window pop up. And here you will see an option change folder and search window option. So you have to click on this. So you will see this kind of pop-up. By default, it is clicked on General. So you have to click on View. So you will see this kind of pop-up. And you have to pay attention that you don't have to do anything in this box below. And here you will see you can apply this view such as details or icon to all folders of this type. So yes, we want to apply this view on all folders. For this, you have to click on Reset Folder. So here it is asking us again that do you want to reset the folder? So yes, we want to do it. So we will click on Yes. So as soon as we click on Yes, you can see that the storage size of the computer has been found. So to save it, we will click on OK. So now you can see clearly that how much space is empty and how much is filled in our computer. So guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video.